Good morning, guys. It's early. Just dropped the kids off at the older two off at middle school, and thought I would pop in here and tell you that I think this video is going to be kind of like a day in the life. I've never filmed one of these before, but I thought it would be kind of cool to take you along with me during my day. I'm really tired. I had a hard time getting up this morning. But I think that'll be kind of it'll be a fun thing. It'll be a change from what I usually do, the way I usually film. And if you guys are new here, welcome to my channel. I'm really happy that you joined us. We have a lot of fun things that happen on this channel. I do a lot of cleaning motivation videos, unboxings, get ready with me, cook with me, all of that kind of fun stuff. So I'm going to get into the house and see my younger two. I think my husband's going to be taking them to school, and kind of get my day started. So I'm going to go inside the house and then pop back on here after. And after putting on a random outfit, I'm going to get started on getting myself ready for the day. I'll put on some makeup, and then I'm going to use a blow dryer and just kind of smooth my hair out.
You're calling, I'm falling. Don't know what it is you do to me, yeah. Where you go, I follow. Let's go out and dance the night away. Going like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dance the night away. I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Chances. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. I missed you. Give me that kiss now. I just wanna hold you close to me. I really like you. Do you like me? Don't you wanna see what this could be? I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same now that we dancing. I'm taking my chances. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. I'm going like 1, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. Yeah, yeah. Ooh, baby, I am ready for that heartbreak. Yeah, yeah. Ooh, baby, I am ready for that heartbreak. Heartbreak, heartbreak, heartbreak. Where you go, I follow. Let's go out and dance the night away. I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same now that we dancing. I'm taking my chances. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you while you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak.
I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine. Ain't got time to do everything you said you would. Frames of the past and the memory of you just come running by. Pictures of sunny days with your smile in the bar. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them.
1, 2, 3, shaping this destiny. From soil and seed, we come from and will be. And I'm aiming for your soul. I believe I'll make you whole. And I say 1, 2, 3, give your love to me, to me, to me. I hope we break the tide. Oh, if I could be your light. Tonight we're giving, tonight we're hoping, tonight we're living, tonight we're going strong. And together we go high. Tonight we're laughing, tonight we're loving, tonight we sparkle, tonight we dance along. And together we go high. 1, 2, 3, power still unreleased. What heaven bleed will make it back to the sea. And I'm aiming for your heart. I believe I hold the chart. So I say 1, 2, 3, give me your love again, again, again. I know the wind is flame, crisp thin ice will bear your name. Tonight we're giving, tonight we're hoping, tonight we're living, tonight we're going strong. And together we go high. Tonight we're laughing, tonight we're loving, tonight we sparkle, tonight we dance along. And together we go high. I hope we break the tide. Oh, if I could be your light. Tonight we're giving, tonight we're going strong, tonight we're hoping for each other, each other. Tonight we're giving, tonight we're hoping, tonight we're living, tonight we're going strong. And together we go high. Tonight we're laughing, tonight we're loving, tonight we sparkle, tonight we dance along. And together we go high.
I thought it might give me a little bit more energy. I still have a long day ahead of me, so I'm going to take my multivitamin. Right now it's a gummy. And then I am also going to take my Hair Renew vitamins. This has vitamin C, vitamin E, niacin, vitamin B6, biotin, and zinc. I'm going to take 2 tablets. Take 2 tablets a day. I do this every day. So, I take my vitamins and then drink my coffee. Just gonna start a load of laundry, stuff that I brought down from one of the boys' room. Oops. I have some stuff down here. Pick this up. Let me see if I can do this with one hand.
You're full of confidence and cheap color. You're showing off your moves and hope for attention. And how you turn my life into an invitation, I don't know. I swear I tell the truth and you misunderstood. When I smile, you thought I want you by my side, but maybe that's a lie. 'Cause I can see the way you look and how you try to get my attention. Don't you know I'm all you, I'm all you, I'm all you, not my Romeo, and I'm not your sweet princess. Don't you know
I am gonna head out and go pick up the kids from school. I did end up changing my hoodie, and I just put on this jean top and picked the scarf out. I still don't know if I match, but that's okay. I'm still wearing these leggings. And yeah, so I hope that you enjoyed this video. I know that it was a new style of filming for me. Please give me some feedback, give me a thumbs up if you liked it. And if you're new, I would love it if you subscribed. And I guess that's all for today. I'm just gonna go pick the kids up and then head back here and start making dinner. All right guys, I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.